Hey everyone, James here, and we're back with another do-it-yourself video, this time where we're going to check and measure the relative humidity in your basement or crawl space. We're going to be going through just a simple tool that you'll need in order to take an accurate measurement. A fun fact about all basements and crawl spaces is that 50% of the air that you breathe in the living space up above actually originates from this area. What's recommended is to keep your relative humidity percentage between 40 and 55%. This is really important because it's not going to be a conducive environment for mold, mildew, bacteria, and viruses to be prevalent in your basement and crawl space. So let's get started. All right, so now we're ready to test our relative humidity percentage. So the tool that we're going to be using today is called a hygrometer. This one that I have here, it can be picked up at your local hardware store for generally between $5 to $10. So this one's going to give us two measurements. Number one is going to be our relative humidity percentage in the top left-hand corner, and then our indoor air temperature. So this relative humidity is at 62%. So today we've got a lot of rain outside and we're in an unfinished exposed concrete wall scenario. So it's really an environment that's going to naturally have high humidity. And like we said, we want to be between the optimal range of 40 to 55%. So being at 60%, we're really in an environment that's going to have heavy condensation on pipes, and it's going to be a breeding ground for mold, mildew, bacteria, and viruses. So what my recommendation for this type of household is that we implement a dehumidification system. Once we control that relative humidity and bring it back within range of 40 to 55%, we're going to see a drastic improvement in indoor air quality, especially in our living spaces above, as well as in our basement and crawl spaces. All right, and that's it. So let's do a quick recap. So as you now know how simple it is to take an accurate relative humidity measurement by using the simple tool, the hygrometer, which can be picked up from your local hardware store anywhere between $5 to $10. Once we have our accurate relative humidity percentage, remember, we want to be in that optimal range between 40 and 55%. This is going to give us our best indoor air quality, both downstairs in our crawl space and basement, as well as our living space that's up above. So until next time, we'll see you on the next do-it-yourself video.